The impeachment of judges in India is a complex and rare process, often shrouded in controversy. Recently, Justice Shekhar Kumar Yadav's remarks at a Vishwa Hindu Parishad event have ignited a firestorm, prompting the opposition to initiate impeachment proceedings. Under Articles 124(4) and 218 of the Constitution, judges can be removed for proved misbehavior or incapacity. However, since independence, only 6 judges have faced impeachment motions, and none have been successfully removed. This highlights the rigorous safeguards in place to protect judicial independence. Yet, when judges make controversial statements, it raises critical questions about their impartiality and the integrity of our judiciary. The balance between accountability and independence is delicate, and this case serves as a reminder of the challenges we face in upholding the values of our Constitution.